everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to finally make a monthly favorites video. There wasn't a monthly favorites video for a while, and here we are back. So get ready everyone, monthly favorites are back. Well, let's get started. The most favorite items that I had during this month of September and August as well, sure, for the last 2 months. And it's gonna be this hat by Gucci, my new Cartier earrings. Guys, I am very excited to start with this Gucci hat that I am wearing right now, and well, let me tell you all about it. So guys, I am always looking for the best deals out there for luxury because I am obsessed, let's admit it. Yes, I'm obsessed with brands, especially the big names. If you'll see my closet, if you'll see my house, it's all full of big names. That's a disease. Like, I'm telling you, I love it. I live for luxury. So I'm always on the search for getting the luxury for affordable prices. You know what I mean? I always want to get these luxury items. I want them to be real, authentic. That's like a must have because I do never wear any fakes, any replicas and so on. I only goes for authentic my entire life. So I found out about this incredible website called SENSER. This is the ultimate destination for luxury shopping at unbeatable rates and prices. When I used to live in Europe, I was obsessed going to the outlets because you can find like Gucci, Prada, all these high-end brands for like 70, 80, 50% off. And I was like, why would anyone shop for a full price? And I'm still at the very same opinion, even though I moved to the States right now, and I am still looking all the time online for good deals for luxury. So I just got my hands on this Gucci hat. And oh my God won't let me lie how much I wanted a Gucci hat before, but they're so very expensive. So the original price is $480 before the tax. So if I'm gonna buy it in my state, in North Carolina, the taxes are 5%. So my total price will be $504. And oh my gosh, like $500 for a hat that I'm gonna wear it like, twice a year maybe, because it's not snowing in my state, but once a year, maybe twice a year, I will go travel to places with snow or cold places and I will need a hat. So I was like, $500 to wear this hat basically once a year. No, thank you. And then I found the same hat on SENSER for $257. Final price. Taxes are included in all prices on SENSER. And this is how I found this hat. And I was like, okay, well, $257, that's something that I can definitely pay, that I can afford. It's 50% off the original price. That's the best part of SENSER. I got it 50% off the merchandise price from SENSER website. And I was like, oh my God, that's an amazing deal. Yes, I am ready to pay $250 for a hat that I will wear twice a year. That makes way more sense than paying $500 for the same item. And now I can assure you that I'm wearing luxury items like high-end brands my entire life, and this hat is 100% authentic. I can see it immediately. If you didn't know, I am an expert in replicas. I used to work a lot with replicas and with authentic items. I'm basically about to be authenticator soon because I'm so good at authenticating items. So I can assure you this hat is real. I can sew it from the first sight as I just touch the hat. It's so obvious that it's authentic. I got it for 50% off, but at SENSER, you can find items for up to 70% off on all items. Guys, by the way, you're welcome to use my code. Right now, it is appearing on the screens, and you're welcome to click the link below in the description box to get your hands on the high-end brands and items on SENSER. And now with my discount code, you will get an additional 4% off every purchase of yours and every single items that on SENSER. Seriously, that saving is incredible. So guys, if you are same as I am, addicted and obsessed with luxury and high-end, well, SENSER is the best and right place to shop for designer bags, shoes, accessories, and so very on. They are having more than 600,000 products among all luxury brands such as Chloe, Miu Miu, Dolce & Gabbana, and Gucci, of course, Prada, and so very on. Every new season, SENSER is updating their shelves, and everything is 100% authentic, directly sourced from European boutique stores. Plus, you are getting a free shipping and a duty-free price, which means no hidden fees. If you are ready to elevate your style without breaking the bank, click the link in the description box down below to this video of mine and use my exclusive code to get your high-end stuff. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Guys, be so very sure to check SENSER out. I got it from SENSER for 50% off. 50% off. All items on SENSER website are up to 70% off compared with counter price, and an additional exclusive discount with my code SSVALEN for an additional 4% off. You're very welcome to thank me at the comments. I am obsessed with this Gucci hat that I got. This is a convertible hat, so you can wear it like that while the pink side is out. You can wear it basically any way you see fit, as well as you have the other side, which this is like a dark gray with glitter type of a side, and you can wear it like that as well. So you can absolutely wear it any way works for you. You can wear it like that. You can wear it like that, or like that. Whatever works for you, you choose. And well guys, let's move on to my next product, and I would really love to share with you my earrings. These are by Cartier, and I had so many doubts about like buying them, not buying them. So the final price I paid for these was around $31,000 after the tax. These are $28,900 before tax, and then depends on what state you are in, you just add your own personal tax. Depends on where do you live, right? So I was debating with myself for over a year buying these or not, and obviously that's understandable why, because that's the most expensive piece of jewelry I ever had in my life, and I have currently have. No any pieces by Van Cleef, nothing was as expensive as these earrings by Cartier. So this is how they look like on the body basically, and oh my god, I'm such a fan of these. They are just like a perfection. So I keep them for special occasions. I do not wear them like every day, and I just keep them in the box. I got them about 2 months ago, and I honestly never wore them since then. I didn't even try them on. That's my first time trying them on since I got them. They even still had the tag on them. But anyway, here they are, and I am extra excited about these earrings. So I truly hope that you are excited with me. Please let me know your opinion down below about my new Cartier earrings and about the most expensive piece of jewelry, or just in general piece in my closet. Yeah, I think only my car is about $100,000 now, so I'm driving new 2024 Porsche Cayenne, so I think only my car overpriced these. Like, that's the most expensive thing I ever bought after my car. My car, as I said, was more expensive, and obviously after an apartment, after a house. But you know, a house, it's an investment. A car, obviously not an investment, but at least a car, it's something that you truly need. While jewelry, it's kinda can be an investment, but it's not really. But they're pretty. Next, all the information gonna be found down below at the description box of this video of mine, as well as any other type of information which is necessary, like coupon codes, sales, promotion, any possible way to save some money of yours. Everything gonna be listed down below at the description box of this video of mine. And well guys, that was actually all for today. Please let me know which one of the 3 products you love the most. Congratulate me on my new Cartier earrings, and be so very sure to check SENSER, Cartier, and Deslockout out. Everything can be found down below. Where? You know where. Description box. Well guys, I'm done. I'm actually done. Bye. No, I'm kidding. I love you all. I'll see you all in my next videos. XOXO. Valentine.